Good morning, students. Yes, today we will see how to deal with the goodwill already appeared in the books and the goodwill which brings a new partner with him in the firm. Now see, this is a question. A and B are two partners. Their old ratio is 1:3 and goodwill appeared in the books, that is rupees 4,40,000. C is new partner admitted in the business. Now after the admission of C, new ratio is 2:1. C also brought 1 lakh as a capital and rupees 50,000 as his share of goodwill. Now we have to pass necessary journal entries. See how to make this. First of all, we have to write off the goodwill already appeared in the books. That will be now write off in old partners in old ratio. So make this entry for goodwill write off. This is the journal. A is capital account debit, B is capital account debit to goodwill account. The goodwill is rupees 4,40,000. This will be divided among the two partners A and B already in their old ratio 1:3. So A's capital account will be debited by rupees 1,10,000. Sorry students, the old ratio is 3:1. 3:1. So A's capital account will be debited by rupees 3,30,000 and B's capital account will be debited by rupees 1,10,000 to 4,40,000. Again listen, old ratio of A and B is 3:1. So divide this 4,40,000 in 3:1 among the old partners A and B. After this entry for the return write off, now this is entry for write off the goodwill. Now next entry, C brought rupees 1 lakh as his capital, so bank account debit to C's capital to premium for goodwill which he brings along with the capital. Total amount he bring 1,50,000, 1 lakh for his capital and 50,000 for goodwill. Now this premium for goodwill will be divided into all partners in their gain sacrifice ratio. So first of all, you have to calculate gain sacrifice ratio by the rules old ratio minus new ratio. Then you will get the sacrifice about the sacrifice A and B had done for the C. So after calculating this, the ratio of A and B sacrifice, A is 3/4 old minus new, this is 2/5. Then we will get 7/20. 7/20, this is sacrifice by the A. Now come to B. Again B's share is old ratio 1/4, new is 2/5. In this we had seen that B also gain in this change in ratio. In this changing B gain 3/20. C his new share, that is 1/5. So the new entry for this premium for goodwill, that is premium for goodwill account debit. B gains in this changing the ratio, so B also bring for amount 37,500. So B's capital also be debited because he gains in this change to A, because A had done all sacrifice for B and C. goodwill amount, that is rupees 50,000, and B's capital also debited by rupees 37,500. Overall, A's capital account be credited by rupees 87,500. So this is a distribution of goodwill, gain sacrifice entry for the premium of goodwill to the partners. So in this way, we first of all write off the goodwill which is appeared in the books by this entry, and the next, these are the two entries for new partners bringing their capital and goodwill as a premium. So this goodwill will be divided to the partners in the old sacrifice ratio, old partners to gain sacrifice ratio. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.